We need to be able to control the arrangement of the objects in our document regarding who's in the front and who's in the back. Let's go ahead and learn how we can do that. Come over here to your toolbox and pick up your type tool. Let's come back here to the workspace, click, drag out a text box about this big. Let's come over here and make the font size about 100 points. And press enter on the keyboard. I'm going to type in anything like hello. Come back to the toolbox and select your selection tool. Come back here to the selected text, right click and select create outlines. Let's come over to this edge with our selection tool, click, hold shift key and make it bigger about this much, release mouse, then shift key and deselect. Now let's go ahead and create the object that is going to be the background to place this text on. So let's come over here and pick up our rectangle tool. Come back to the workspace, click, drag out a rectangle, kind of like this. Release your mouse, and let's come up here and give this rectangle a blue color for the fill. Pick up your selection tool and deselect. Now let's go ahead and place this hello on this blue background. With the selection tool, click and just drag this word, place it on the center right here. Release your mouse and deselect. You can see that your hello word is not visible, and that is because it is underneath this background rectangle. And the reason this happened is because we have created our rectangle after we created our hello word, and so by default it is on top. So in order for us to make this rectangle our background, we have of course our selection tool selected. Let's come over here and select this rectangle, right click and go all the way down to arrange and select the command send to back. And basically what this command does is it's going to send this rectangle to the absolute back of this document, and it will be the first object right on basically the surface of the document. Now go ahead and select send to back, and now you can see your word hello again, because there are only two objects here, the background rectangle and the hello word. And of course, by sending the background rectangle to the back of the document, automatically this is going to be of course in the front.